Buongiorno, this is Julien, the guy who makes pronunciation videos here on YouTube. Yes, pronunciation videos, and we are looking at how to pronounce this strong and dense and tight coffee preparation that is an espresso. How would you say it with the typical Italian pronunciation? Well, in Italian you'd say espresso, because there is a double S. You want to insist on the E and the double S part. Espresso, espresso. Of course, if you do not want to sound so dramatically Italian, in English or American you can simply say espresso, espresso, but you still want to stop and emphasize and insist on the esso part of the word. Espresso, espresso, espresso. I hope this video was useful. Here are more videos if you want to learn more about how to pronounce Italian words. I'll leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of Italian and French pronunciations. Ciao, ciao!